Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Taat. My major is Nautica level 2. Hey, here, how can I help you?
Yeah, I'm into 15 for in film. There's a need to get some things. Real and the
Sir, what do you need?
I need to my hair. Should I need to have my name first him.
Okay, here I map out the city. There as I go higher, so here west is just block away, and there I turn right here. Is there anything else?
Yes, I need to have my car service.
No problem. The I quiz awake facts away.
The how can I help you?
Well, I am now fishing for a fan days and need to get some that is done where I'm here.
Suran, what do you need?
I need to get you to get my high city. I need to have my name plans made.
Okay, here's a map of the chitin. There's I got Hassan her weight is just a block away. And there's I trail right there is the antique earth.
Yes, I need to hire my car service.
No problem. There's a good machine effect block away.